The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook County Emergency Management and Chicago Police Department. At 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an organized group of insurgents have taken control of several neighborhoods and critical infrastructure in the city of Chicago. Violence and riots have been reported throughout the area. Local law enforcement has been overrun and are unable to assist residents in the greater Chicago area. Illinois State Police and the National Guard have been dispatched to restore order and secure the affected areas. Shelter in place immediately. Lock all windows and doors. Do not attempt to leave your home or travel through the affected areas. Anyone caught outside or engaging in violent activity will be detained by authorities. This is for the city of Chicago and surrounding areas in Cook County, Illinois. Remain indoors until further notice. Monitor local media and emergency alerts for updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook County Emergency Management, in conjunction with the United States Department of Homeland Security and the Nuclear Emergency Support Team. The United States Department of Homeland Security has issued a mandatory evacuation order for the greater Chicago area, effective immediately. Martial law is now in effect for the state of Illinois. All roads leading out of Chicago are closed, except for major interstates. Constant road traffic has been implemented on all interstates to expedite evacuation efforts. Residents evacuating are urged to bring basic identification, enough food and water for 3 days, and an extra change of clothing. Evacuees will be subject to search and questioning outside the evacuation radius to ensure the safety and security of all individuals. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, federal and state officials confirmed contact with the leader of the insurgency in Chicago, identified as Adam Scott, who claimed an unconfirmed nuclear threat exists in central Chicago. The nuclear emergency support team has been deployed to investigate and, if necessary, neutralize the potential threat. Residents are urged to evacuate immediately and remain calm. Panic disrupts evacuation efforts and endangers everyone involved. Military and law enforcement are working to maintain order and ensure public safety. Anyone attempting to obstruct evacuation efforts or engage in violence against military or law enforcement will face immediate detention or, if necessary, lethal force. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates and instructions. following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Homeland Security and the Nuclear Emergency Support Team. At 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the United States Nuclear Emergency Support Team confirms the presence of an imminent nuclear threat in the central Chicago area. Residents are urged to shelter in place immediately. If you are in the affected area, take the following precautions. Turn off fans, air conditioners, and heating or ventilation systems to prevent outside air from entering. Close all windows, doors, and fireplace dampers. Use wet towels or cloth to seal any openings, such as cracks around doors or windows. Cover your mouth and nose with a damp cloth or towel to reduce inhalation of radioactive particles.